Hi everyone. Just wanted to go over some details that might help you with your research paper layout. I'm going to go over some basics about using Word and also about using Easybib. I think some of you, we went so fast last night that I think some people might be a little bit confused about how to do Easybib. So here on the right hand side you'll see I have my Word document and I created this little header. Well, even though different versions of Word are a little bit different, you want to click header, or basically just click page number. Let's do that, page number. And you want to have the page number in the top of the page on the right hand side. And just click OK. And then what you will do is you'll come up. This allows you to edit the header. And what you'll do is come over and type your last name. We'll close that. And I also have page 2 here. You'll also want to put in your first name, you'll want to have double spacing, and you can adjust the spacing by going to your home menu right here, going to line spacing, clicking double. You will put the professor's name, and you'll put the class, ESL 51, and your date. You'll come down 2 more spaces, and you will center, just use the center button, and you will center your title. Come down 2 more spaces, and this is where you'll start to write your paper. Go back to your left line, okay. And your first, just hit the tab button. The tab button usually goes automatically to about 1/2 inches over, but right here. And then you can start your paragraph. You can start your introductory sentence. The second page, or what would be your last page of your essay, will be your works cited page. So I'm going to go over here to the left hand side of the screen and we're going to start something new. Now let's say my essay is going to be about fairy tales. So I've got a project started called Fairy Tales, and I have a book by Marina Warner called Once Upon a Time, A Short History of the Fairy Tale. So I'm going to type in the book title. Sorry about that. And I'm going to click Cite It. Now notice I've already chosen MLA for my format, but I want to choose book here because that's what I want to cite, not a website, not a newspaper article. You always have to choose MLA and then the type of item you're trying to cite. So I have my title of the book here. I go over to Cite It. And sometimes you'll get a lot more than just one hit, so just choose the one that matches your book. So this is the one I want. I will say cite this, and there it is. Now it hasn't put down all of the information, it has put down the title and her name. If I want to write additional information, I can. I know, for instance, that the book was published in 2014, so I can go down here to 2014. But let's say that's fine. I don't need to add any more information. Now I will click Create Citation, and there it is. It's already done for me, right here. All of the formatting. Now I have a website. I like this article. I found the true stories behind classic fairy tales. Well, I like this one, so I want to cite it as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to notice, where am I? First of all, the website is huffingtonpost.com. So huffingtonpost.com will be the website. The article is The True Stories Behind Classic Fairy Tales, and the author is Valerie Ogden. So I'm going to select, just to make my life easy, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to Easybib. I'm going to go to the 59 options here. I'm going to click blog or podcast, and it's an article here. I'm citing an article, not a comment or a review. And right here, the title is, my copy paste, and I know her name is Valerie, and I know her last name is Ogden. And the website title is www.huffingtonpost.com. And they published that story right here. It says posted 11/5/2004. So I'm going to put 11 May 2004. And I got it today, which is the 16th of June 2014. So I want to create that citation. And there it is. So now I have my two references. All I want to do now is put this into my works cited page, which will be my end of the page over here. So what I'm going to do is export, and I'm going to do print as Word doc. Print as a Word document. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to download for MS Word, and it's going to ask me to open up with Word, and there it is. So really all you have to do now is, well, this is one thing you can do. You can copy it right here, and you're done. You're all done. So now you've got your first page, you've formatted it, your title, your first line, paragraph, and on your very last page you have your works cited and you have your references. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any problems or you need any more help, and I can certainly do that for you.